being showed back where they were.
Really?
And there have been no
No
house
evidence.
lifting evidences that have taken place afterwards. We were like, okay, fine, steal a little bit, but don't leave us. Hey everyone, welcome back to the next episode of Gal Pals Unplugged. I'm Arya.
And I'm Sanchita.
And we like to talk about drama, but because we are in our late 20s, we pretend it's mature. Now that we have that out of the way and we're not fighting on the age factor anymore, we are going to be talking about the many women involved in making a marriage work. But before that, we want you to meet somebody.
We want to
Ta-da!
introduce
Drum roll,
you.
Shrutika.
Mahajan.
Yay!
She
Call me what you
is-
usually call me.
Oh, we call her
We call
Tikka.
Tikka.
That's me. Yes.
And because 2 was not enough on this episode of Gal Pals, we added another one to make it a little more fun, spicy, and yeah,
Make
she's
it insane.
yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't get many references, it's not on us.
Tikka and I have been friends as long as me and Sanchita have been friends. So that's
Yeah.
like what? We did the math in one of the episodes before this.
15 years.
The
what we
math is
rounded-
mathing.
Yeah, 15 years is what we rounded up.
Yeah, okay,
Two.
15 years. But these two have been
Yeah.
friends for a lot.
We've been friends
Before
since we were
that.
5 or 6.
5, 6, yeah.
Yeah.
First standard.
First standard. So we've been friends
6. That's a lot.
for 25
Yeah, I'm
years.
just gonna give up on the math. on
Yeah.
that one.
Shit, I
It's
did
just
not.
been a
When you
lifetime.
say it like that, it
Yeah.
seems like a very big number.
25 years.
25.
25 years. Oh shit. I
Yeah.
forgot how old I am.
Yeah, you thought you're 25. She's like, oh, 20 years.
Let's pretend. For another
But,
month.
Yeah. Shrutika, you want to say something?
I do. I think you guys are like the closest I've had to like having like old friends,
Yeah.
friends that see like too many phases of your life, the good one, the bad one, the non-existent one. Yeah, I think
hustles.
the side hustle,
Many
the new
hustles.
quests. And now that I'm back to my main quest, I'm here. And yeah, I just feel like this had to happen at some point.
Yeah.
It just did. And yeah, I'm pretty happy being
Surprised
here.
it took so long.
Yeah.
It took-
We there's one more in the gang.
Oh, let's
We got,
mention the
yeah,
honorary
let's
one.
mention her because if we don't, she's really
She's
gonna
gonna
hold
kill
it
us.
against
Yeah,
us.
yeah. It's a
But,
group of 4. She is not here. She lives in Dubai. So she could not join us. But she's here in spirit.
She's here.
Sup, Aish? Shrutika also, by the way, is a lawyer, an architect,
Yeah.
married to a good friend of ours who we know
Had
through
multiple
her.
quests there as well.
Yeah. So, yeah, a little more background on the person she is. And yeah, anything else you want to say? Did I miss anything?
No, I think that about covers the
Yeah.
professional aspect of
Yeah,
it.
we were in the same school, then our
Same
college
school.
was together, which was
Mm.
Cummins, which is engineering and
Yeah.
architecture, all put together
In one campus.
in one campus.
You know, we used to always have these conversations, right? Who would get married first in the group?
Yeah.
And I'd assume Sanchita because she'd been dating Anuj the longest.
Yeah.
And then probably Aishu second because
Aishi, because she wanted to.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she
she was-
wanted to, and also I think Auntie always told her like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like we'll get you married.
The
and all
jury
that.
was
Very
out
earlier.
only for the two of
Yeah,
us.
and then between the two of us, we could actually
Yeah,
never
it could be
decide.
anyone. Yeah.
So Aishu actually did want to get married first, like in her heart. But
Yeah.
she used to always be like, guys, I want to get married first, but I don't want to be the first fried paneer in the group.
Yeah.
And I never really understood that reference.
She wanted
Oh.
us to get married shortly
She-
after.
yeah.
That,
Because she
like,
wanted
oh,
us
I'll do
to
it
in a
when
week.
y'all do it.
She wanted us to go through the journey together,
Yeah.
which I understand.
We
Aishu got
prophesied
married
Aishu.
first.
We prophesied
Tikka
it.
got married second.
Tikka got
Second.
married
Sanchita
second.
and
I got third,
yeah.
and we all have great gaps between us.
No.
Me and Arya, you and me
No.
don't.
Yeah.
We got married a month
1
apart.
year, yeah.
And I was
Yeah.
literally texting Tikka, why are you getting married? I also am getting married, bro.
Dude.
We need to be there
yeah,
in each
there
other's
was
It
weddings.
1
was a
month
massive
difference.
season.
Yeah,
The wedding
yeah.
season
That
of
was-
2022 was massive. So I don't know how it usually happens, but it does happen that without even knowing, we end
Yeah.
up on the same page.
Yeah, we do.
Now that all of us are married,
Now that's out of the
and
way.
okay, so you know, there's like this shift that has happened, right? Because all of us have now, we come from a very typed, like a 9 to 5 routine kind of a background,
Oh, yeah.
those kind of homes, and now it's not the same anymore. What's changed?
A lot. I think I don't know about you guys, I don't speak for you, but my life just was turned upside down, like completely flipped on its head. I went from being the youngest in a household to taking care of like most things. So I think it took me almost a year to get acclimatized to the new surrounding, and it was just, I think you would know, because immediately moving in with your in-laws and taking care of almost everything, it changes you in
Yeah,
ways that you don't
it does.
realize. It's just a process. You take it day to day, and then one day you just become like, shit, so much has changed.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
again we fell in a similar situation.
We
where
fell, yeah.
our homes and our
This-
the homes that we married into are very
into.
close to each other.
Yeah.
So
Also, the fact that we both are the girl child and the youngest
younger ones.
in our respective homes, and
Yeah.
then from that to being
Yeah.
genuinely responsible
To taking
this
up more than
than
chew,
you
yeah.
can. And I'm definitely not the youngest in my house. Like, I have a younger brother now, my husband's younger to
Yeah.
me, so it's all like changed. Like, I have to save the last chapati for him. Like, people were saving these things for me. Like,
Yeah.
what even?
That
But
has changed.
yeah.
You have to look out for people.
People,
now. People
yeah.
are looking out for you
But I think more than you, I was eased into it because I've been around Anuja's house also
for a longer time.
like, I've actually been in his house for like almost 8-9 years.
And the
so
families are a little similar,
They are,
right?
yeah.
Whereas like there was a cultural shock for me, which
for
is
you,
why,
it was a big cultural shock into
Yeah, it's a very different household.
Yeah.
It runs on very different set of rules.
Yeah.
Like I used to live in an apartment. Going from that to living in a bungalow,
Yeah.
I had a lot of help.
Yeah. We are going to be talking about the many women involved in making a marriage work.
Help.
Oh my god, the help is such it's such an integral
That's-
part
oh.
of the whole ecosystem that we're trying to build. Because for me, like when I lived with my mother, we had help and all of that, but we, like, the both of us were really like OCD freaks, so we as well like put a lot of time kind of like maintaining the home.
Yeah.
And I think that changes when you go to a new house, because everybody's standard of cleanliness is very different.
Very different.
also
Just their
everyone
idea
has a
of a
different
home.
set of rules
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
cleanliness,
Yeah.
which can be
Which can be varyingly different is what I'm
Given-
saying.
given to the males. The ratio of males is directly proportionate to the cleanliness of the house. I'd like to say. Like, I think that's how
And
it is.
ironically, male help is the best help.
We all three went from a flat setup to a bungalow
Yeah.
setup, which is very stressful.
Difficult to maintain.
Yeah, difficult to maintain. And you have to take care of your own security, or 100 other things, your own water tanks, whatever, blah blah blah. But even with the help genuinely as a human can't clean up 3 floors.
Yeah.
But my help at my house can clean up that entire floor in
yeah.
one day.
To your liking.
So
yeah.
to my liking,
Yeah.
and here I have to like give them
And as
sections.
well, like we're also very hands-on, right? Okay, I can take control at my home, whatever I want to clean, however I want to keep
Yeah.
it. But when
Yeah.
you enter a new house, you're like, oh, am I like disrupting
Dude,
some
yeah.
sort of
There
code
was
that's
a
been
phase-
set
there was a
here?
phase where you
Yeah.
felt like you were coming in with your own, disrupting
Yeah.
what was already
Yeah.
there, but then making it your own eventually.
Yeah.
I think that was the first year that I talked about, that
Yeah.
it takes at least a year to settle into a new
100%.
home.
Yeah.
To even understand your own boundaries, like, am I overstepping? Am I doing just enough?
Yeah.
Am I doing less? Is like more expected out of me now that,
I
I'm
think that's
the
the trickiest
daughter-in-law. Yeah, that
Yeah.
was the tricky part. So you both know Fatima, the
Yeah.
golden girl of all our lives, who's fed us breakfast, who's
Yeah.
cleaned our house
Yeah.
parties, who's cleaned our
Emotional messes.
emotional messes, who's cleaned our bathrooms when needed. Yeah, Fatima has been at my house for almost 20 years now.
That's 2
Yeah.
decades. as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, I
So
think 20 years. 15 to 20 years, I think that's the good
I remember how tough it
And-
was for you when she wasn't around for a year or two.
And we missed her. Do you remember?
I
I used to
missed
fully
her.
have
Yeah.
conversations.
Yeah.
Why did she go? What happened?
Yeah.
Is she gonna come
This
back?
is a
this for
conversation
real?
for all
Whole
of us.
family who was like an issue with all of us. That, oh, why is she not here?
Yeah. Going from that, and I was her golden child, like going from being her golden child to maids barely getting me my tea.
Like she set the bar too high.
Yeah, she set the bar too high.
I actually had a help growing up. Stop laughing.
Ranjana.
I can't keep a straight face when you say that.
Ranjana is the lady who took care of Arya, and the only thing Arya did in the process was torture her.
I had a help growing up who used to live with me, like full time live with us. And she basically, because my father used to travel, she used to help my mother kind of like raise me up, a full time nanny and house help and all of that. And I will accept I did trouble her before you guys give me those glaring looks. When is she gonna say that? When is she gonna say that? Yes, I did torture her a little bit.
You're rolling up to your
Accepting
actions.
who you are.
But in my defense, we had a sister-like bond, okay?
There is no
There
difference.
is no sister like what?
Anyway, so now that is how it is at my house, and then at my, like at Lalit's home, it's more of a, there's somebody all day, also because there's continuously somebody coming home, so there has to be
there
somebody to like
I think you
serve
both
the
have
tea
that,
and all
yeah.
of that. Yeah, so we need
You
that,
have to be
somebody
prepared.
yeah,
Like potentially all
Yeah.
the time.
We always did grow up talking about our weddings, how the kind of families we want, the kind of marriages we want, the kind of guys we want, and
The values that we hold.
the values
Yeah.
that we hold. That I think firstly when we started talking about it, we were like 16. So back then the bar was low.
No, for you the bar was pretty high because of
Yeah,
Fatima. Like you knew
Yeah.
that you wanted to end up in a
Yeah.
place
a
where
place where
you
I
were
have-
taken care of and
Yeah,
you
yeah,
had someone to
100%.
do.
I think every girl says this. Wherever I come from, make sure all that is in place.
Yeah.
Anything more than that is great. I'm happy with that. But
Yeah.
my basic life that I have had my whole life,
Yeah.
don't take that away from me, because that might be a little difficult. And because it's a love marriage, it does not mean I won't do it. Because it's a love marriage, I will end up adjusting. But the best case scenario is that you don't move my like
What I've been
baseline
offered
of
all my life.
lifestyle that I have been given through my family.
Yeah.
Even for us to train new maids to that level of detail is so tough.
Hard.
It's a full-time job. It's
It is.
really tough. In fact, I'll tell you a fun story. So basically, we have a maid. She's still there. I hope she doesn't watch this or decipher any of this. So basically, she's really nice, but we think that after she came, a few of the things started missing around the house. But we really didn't want to lose her. Okay, she's actually very
Oh,
efficient.
this is at
and
your
very
house?
clean. Yeah, in my like
Redditch
at my
house,
mom's.
yeah.
Yeah, Redditch house. And then, because we had to keep her around, my mom came up with an idea, and she was like,
Cameras?
we put new cameras. And then she was like, oh, where are the cameras? So there were, those home theater speakers. You convince these other speakers. And okay, miraculously, those things showed back where they were.
Really?
And there have been no
No
house
evidence.
lifting evidences that have taken place afterwards. We were like, okay, fine, steal a little bit, but don't leave us.
Dude, but this is such a big issue. I was on a trip recently with my friends to Rishikesh. The girls have discussed nannies heavily.
Oh, dude,
Like-
do you know this? There's a survey. Nannies are going to be the highest paid profession in like personal help
Yeah,
section.
God.
Yeah, it's going to be that.
but they are
only
paid
after
very well.
a medical nurse who 24/7 medical nurses. Nannies are the next.
Maid is such a big issue. When I got
Yeah.
into Anuj's house, it was like the maid was protective of the family. And I'm like, I'm
With
not
them.
here to, I'm not here to like rupture anything or move anything around. This one maid who's probably been around for 25 years in their house fully refused to give me tea. Till, obviously, she got fired. By
Wow.
my mom-in-law
Till she
fired
got
her.
fired.
Yeah, my
Horrible.
mom-in-law is like, screw you. She's the daughter of this house. You can't act like that.
So there was more
Ye-
drama. there.
No,
She
this
just
is
got
the
fired.
drama. But then she like went over my mom-in-law's head and called my father-in-law that please I need the job back. I'm sorry. And I like bhani uchlat nahi hai phone. And Baba is like, you can't talk to Sanchita like that. She's the daughter of this
Yeah.
house, so we are not getting you back. He literally, she willed her way back, and
She's
since
back
then,
now?
she's
Yeah.
back.
This is a issue typical to people, the help that has been around for like
Way
decades.
too long.
Yeah.
And they
Decades.
literally look at the
You see the child.
Yeah,
growing
the
up in
child is
house,
their own.
you feel
They do
maternal
that.
about the
Yeah, and I'm like, I'm
But
not
that's
here
so
to,
sad
like,
because I
steal.
tell you, the people, I think it's more of a people
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
behavior kind of a thing, because this help in Goregaon, they've been there for the last whatever, like 15-20 years, and they're not like that because they're just good
Yeah.
people. They've been very welcoming of me since the day of, and I've
That's
never
good.
had any
I think my
issues
help
with
was
them.
happy she could offload on me. I don't need to do much now. I think she's gonna take some of it.
But did you also face that with like Kunal
I did.
being the son of the house?
I did. It was actually it was more to do with the fact that she genuinely did offload a lot of her duties because it had been a while that she was running the entire
Oh well.
show.
Yeah.
And again, at least in my situation, I had to come and take over.
Yeah.
So there was going to be resistance.
Yeah.
Same thing. Been around for so long that they know all the family dynamics. They know that
The
you know, this
quirks, how
woman
they-
is going to cut work on this day and just like want to leave early or do. And I think coming to the next point where I just feel like at some point I'm gonna have to like make her a part of my
Yeah.
entire routine
Yeah.
because there's no point in swimming against the tide.
Yeah.
Just like she has dropped her resistance, I think I dropped my resistance after a certain point. I'm like, okay, this is a set of things that you can do for me. This is the set of things that I need you to do for me. Whatever you can, you manage. The rest, I'll figure out how to do.
Yeah.
So I think that is where I felt like, because it was taking, I don't know about you guys, but it was taking a big chunk of my patience, and we're all
Yeah.
working people. I can't be sitting at work trying to think about what's happening back home.
Yeah.
So I think I learned to, it was a big lesson, compartmentalization of how
Yeah.
you manage, because I think having working moms, we realize that administrative duties are critical. Like they
Yeah.
seem easy, but they are not.
Yeah.
And you have to always be pulling like 20 strings at a time. It would overwhelm me, but
Yeah.
I think now I feel like I've got the lay of the land a little bit. I think a long way to go, but
We have our headspace in 100
Yeah.
different places. Is that building systems which first saw a little bit of resistance, but later even they realize life is easier when your brain is
Yeah.
wired to do something on a Tuesday
Yeah.
and do something on a Friday.
systems that work for you instead of you working for them.
Yeah, and having them in a place where you don't have to think, I don't have to think. If I'm not home, you anyway get
Yeah.
things done.
I think they
that
also
helps.
like to be put on a autopilot where I'm not micromanaging
Yeah,
them.
yeah. They don't like my
Because the biggest lesson that I learned is like everyone has a personality. You can't just ride over them. You have to know them individually. One of them will probably show a little more of her personality, and the other one will be a little subservient.
Yeah.
And you have to take that into account when you're giving them instructions.
Yeah.
Which is one more thing that I had to learn, that if you want maximum efficiency,
Yeah.
you have to be more
Think
efficient
about that.
in
Is
knowing
this a good
them.
day for us to tell them? Like, is
I
it a
have
good day
to
for
do a
them?
temperature
Can
check.
yeah. Can I tell her to change the
Yeah.
sheets today? Is
Yeah.
it gonna be like not welcome? Am I
Yeah.
gonna be faced with looks?
Generally, I feel like how you would put up with the woman being a kleptomaniac, I would put up with her having a pleasant personality, because there are times where she is an extension of us.
Yeah.
I think there are so many times when someone would just end up at a place, they'd be seated before I get home, and they'll be comfortable before I get home. So that is a very critical situation for us, where this woman can be a little inefficient, but she has to be polite. All these men are way more efficient doing these jobs, and I don't like it. I want a maid to do the job.
They can't. If I was a maid, I would just be exactly that inefficient. I would not be Saurabh efficient. I would not do it.
I wouldn't. The same thing with drivers also. So there are no female drivers, but the drivers are way more efficient. than
Yeah.
men. So yeah, I think my entire life's endeavor at this point with this situation is that I want to break that stereotype where even though I'm younger and a woman, I can assertively put my foot down and be as efficient as I can get.
Actually, I have a really different take on this, where I actually go down to their level of being a woman. Like they expect a woman to be sensitive and really soft and all of that. I do all of that just to earn their loyalty because I don't have the time and patience. Giving them those extra gifts around Diwali. Like there, obviously everyone gets a bonus in India, but I still go out of my way to get a few gifts because I think it does earn me some brownie points. I've seen behavioral
Caring
changes.
about their family, where they come from.
I've seen behavioral changes after I've treated them like a family member.
Loyalty needs to be rewarded.
Yeah.
And they're technically not obligated to do anything for
Yeah.
you. We know we need them. And the one time that they're not there, we know how much we really need
Struggle.
them.
It all
Like,
comes down.
really messes up with our schedule and everything.
It's their world and we're just living in it.
So we're gonna play a quick game. Put your finger down if you have ever encountered this situation.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask
Let's
a
do
couple
it.
of questions.
Okay, I have my fingers up.
Put a finger down if your maid has ever randomly disappeared and never returned.
I don't think
Maybe
she-
at some point, I'm not sure.
Put a finger down if your maid knew all your family gossip before you did.
I'm putting
Yes.
it down before
Yeah.
you complete that line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's probably there when it happened.
She saw it coming. She's like,
Oh, shit.
कल ये सुना, आज ये सुना, परसों ये होने वाला है. She probably
It's about to- the
anticipated.
truth's about to drop.
Yeah.
Put a finger down if your maid had more control over the house than your parents. Yes,
No.
they did.
My
At
mom
po-
won't
at
let
some
that happen.
point,
Yeah, no, but my maid definitely has more control if my mom's not in the picture.
Put a finger down if your mom has ever said, "अगर ये छोड़ गई तो देख लेना."
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. I think that's our worst nightmare,
Yeah,
like a
worst
collective
nightmare.
nightmare.
Put a finger down if your maid has ever refused to do work because ये मेरा काम नहीं है.
Every
Yeah.
day.
How are
Yeah,
all my
yeah, they
fingers
have.
down right now? Okay, I'm gonna start again.
You already won this.
Yeah, I won
Okay.
this round.
I think Sanchita wins all maid rounds.
She does.
Good,
We would
bad, and
personally
the
give
worst.
the Golden Globe to Fatima.
Okay, I have another game, which is Maid Superlatives, which is the best and the worst award. Okay, we award them. The most iconic exit, a maid who left in the most dramatic way.
Mine actually had waterworks happening at one point, so
Really?
yeah, that's dramatic, but she didn't leave after.
My maid actually, she was like a intern maid, and she was there. And one day she randomly was doing the dishes, and she shut the tap, and she's like, "तुमच्याकडे खूप भांडे असतात."
Staged or walked off.
Staged or walked off. The next award is biggest hustler, a maid with the wildest side hustle.
No,
Yeah.
hands down.
You're winning.
I think I have the most hustle-worthy
Let's go.
person in my life. I think I should respect her hustle more than I respect my own. Because she basically has these commissions going on where she would be like, okay, you want to get rid of something, I'm like, let me do it for you. I do it for you. And then has like a massive cut over it and you're like,
Oh my
I
God.
did it for you.
Oh,
Yeah,
you take
so-
a cut from that.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I respect that.
Yeah, I
Being
respect that,
resourceful, I love. Use your brains,
And
get your
she
things
does
out.
that on top of the time that she spends at your house.
No, she does it on the time that she side bitches. I'm here to shine. She's literally, and the literal definition of I'm here to shine. There was this one time, the CM came to our house, and there are so many pictures from that day. Not a single one with me. And there's the CM, and there's her. And the picture is all over her Facebook. It's all over her WhatsApp. And I just didn't get a moment's time to get a picture, but she does.
Oh my
And the
God.
family may or may not get a picture. She will. There are so many times where people know her by her first name. It's a dangerous game where people would come and be like, "Hi Priya," and Priya will be like, "Hi."
But aren't you worried someone
We're on a
might like
first name basis.
poach
Yeah,
her?
they do. No, she does remind me that people do try to poach me. So,
And she's like, here by choice.
and she literally said this out loud one time. ते मला विचारत होते. And I was like, so what did you say?
What did you say? What do you want to
My emergency situation. But then she literally did say, I'm not leaving here. I'm like, yeah, you're not. I have locked you down now, haven't I? And that's the thing, she has a sweet situation going.
Yeah.
Let's not fool us.
Yeah, she knows she can't do side hustles at the CM's house. She's gonna be, she can't pull shit like that.
I don't think she wants to.
She
either.
probably knows the protocol better than you do.
Yeah, would you be a big fish in a small pond or a small fish in a big... She's a big fish in a small pond. She has it figured out.
She's not going anywhere.
Yeah,
So basically, when you said it's her world, she's literally running the whole show.
she
isn't
is. On some days, she literally is.
Might take over.
She's a small woman.
Okay, the next award is most loyal maid, the one who stuck around for ages.
I think popular choice.
Yeah.
Fatima.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Gal Pals Unplugged.
Thanks for
Thank
having
you.
me.
Yeah, let me
We
get
loved,
there.
yeah, we loved
Thanks,
having
Ritika,
you.
for being here. Let me thank you first. And then,
I mean, it was a busy day.
but yeah, we just wanted to share what, the many faceted layers that come with being married and the kind of families we got married into, and a big part of that, like we've clearly covered, is the help. So respect the help, retain them, gift them, shower them with love. But like, share, comment, subscribe. It keeps us motivated. Subscribe button right here somewhere. But okay, thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
So there was this one time, the same thing happened, but with another maid, but she was lifting heavy value items.
His job title was not help, not staff. It was estate manager.
I thought so.
And the moment he dropped his designation, I'm like, I need.
When you need them the most.
Yeah, they're
take
not
off.
there. They're
They're
not
not
there.
there.
Those are the
they
days.
take an off, and how? And sometimes they take an off for 15 days and don't even send a replacement.
Yeah,
And
they
he's
don't
just
They
gonna
send
never
live
it.
with
send a
it.
There's
replacement.
no replacement.
I don't know.
She does
anyone
not
who
believe
does.
that there is a replacement for her.
Exactly.
They're just using me, guys. Using me to get to someone who's more famous.
Sorry. Urvashi Rothala. Bonjour.